Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Guys, there's someone on Twitter who actually noticed, or actually a couple of people who actually noticed something that I actually didn't notice. But when I went to go and check, I'm just like, guy, man, something J is missing here. This person posted a screenshot of Umakhe Utobile's profile on Instagram and said, hi, bo guys, was they not Selebu here or something like that, or do I stand to be corrected? I quickly went to go and check on Instagram, and indeed, her name on Instagram is Tobile Khumalo. And I'm like, "Aye, man, guys, I remember Uguti there was Mselebu somewhere in there. Either it was Tobile Makhumalo Mselebu or Tobile, but there was Mselebu somewhere there. And it seems like Ugel has removed it, you guys. I also stand to be corrected, but no, I remember seeing Mselebu there. Guys, you tell me, do you remember seeing Mselebu there on her profile? But anyway, it seems like she has removed it. Now, Umusa did also post a picture of him and Utobile, and he captioned that picture, "It does not matter what we are going through now. What is important is the love we have for each other." Now, people in the comment section obviously had so much to say, you guys, especially over the fact that we found out Uguti Umakwela is pregnant. Some people saying or bringing up the whole thing of, Tobile's infertility and blaming Umusa. And people are saying, or some people rather, are saying, no, Umusa had a right to turn down that IVF process years back. So he shouldn't be blamed for anything, because back then, that's just how he felt about IVF. He did not believe in it. But guys, I can see how this whole pregnancy could potentially hurt her, you guys, because again, I've said this before, when Umusa explains, time was wasted on Utobile's side because Umusa was trying to accommodate the other wives, so they had to make sure Uguti she doesn't fall pregnant. Time is a big factor when it comes to fertility, especially for women, you guys. But anyway, guys, we don't know, because Umusa Lana, he's saying Uguti, as long as we love one another, as long as the love is there for each other, then that's all that matters. I'm just like, this man, I don't know where he's at, because he seems so happy. No, Makwela wake, guys, he genuinely seems so happy. So I don't even know if he even still cares about the fertility journey or about the IVF thing. Guys. But anyway, that is just my observation. Maybe he does care. But listen, we feel for Utobile, and the most of us were just thinking about her throughout this process. And I think it's only natural for a person to think about Utobile throughout this whole process, considering Umakwela is from the same place as her, is younger than her, and then goes and fall pregnant, goes and get married. Everything is just stunning. Umakwela is the special one, the rose amongst the thorns. Asazi, you guys. Anyway, you tell me your thoughts about this. Could you, or do you think there's something to be said about the fact that she removed Mselegu out of her surname or out of her profile? Is it that? I mean, there's no way she's not going to be associated as Mselegu, because I mean, she is known amongst the whole country, but still, it's still something. Anyway, please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.